In this problem, I'm going to use a normal distribution to find the value corresponding to a given area. This will be important anytime you start with a percentage or percentile and you want to figure out what cutoff or what value is at the boundary of that region. For this example, I'll look at a mean of 120 and a standard deviation of 5, like I've used for other examples. And here we're going to be given a left tail or right tail percentage. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for the percentile score at the 87th percentile, P87. Percentile means that we have a probability with x being below some number we don't know, and we know what the outputted area is. So it's kind of like other problems we've done, except it would be like an inverse function. And in many statistical software languages or in a calculator, we'll even call that the inverse normal. So what we need to do is we need to plug in our area of 0.87 shaded to the left. And again, you got to make sure that you've selected this second operation, value corresponding to area. So left tail of 0.87. Now it should shade 87% or 0.87 and then tell me where that cutoff is, and it also tells me z. So the 87th percentile will always be z of 1.126, but then when we put the context of the mean and standard deviation over the top of that, we get our value, 125.6 approximately. So this would be the correct notation. This is our value. This is an x value, so it's going to be on the x-axis. Or you could plug it in here now that you have your answer. And I'll just put that in a different color to show that this is the answer to the question, where normally the answer is on the right side of the equal sign. So this is the thing that we had to find. You might also see problems where it says something like the top 5% are above what value. Here we're saying if we point it to the right, what number would we want to put here to get an area of 0.05? We come back here, we change it to a right tail, 0.05. And that would be 128.2 for that top 5%. That would be an x value. And you can do the area with the central area. For example, we might look at where's the middle 95%. That can be useful too, although I don't think you have that in the homework.